In front of me is POCO C71 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this gear icon at the top of it. Then select text correction and use all of those options however you want to. If you don't have suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard though, you can also access the same options by going into Devices Settings, scrolling all the way down and tapping on System. Following that, select Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Then hit Text Correction. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!